One window, 4 charts. You no longer need to flip between TradingView tabs because this indicator lets you view up to 3 extra charts alongside your main. Each can have its own custom indicators and different chart types such as area chart, a line chart, and much more. This indicator will allow you to easily view the market from not 1 but 4 different perspectives. And today we're excited to share it and break down exactly how it works while showing you some of the ways it can be used. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So why is having multiple windows an issue? Well, trading with multiple windows often results in scattered workflows. Constantly switching between tabs or screens to track assets or timeframes interrupts focus and increases the risk of errors. In fast-paced markets, this can lead to serious mistakes, such as placing orders on the wrong asset or missing critical entry and exit signals. Additionally, juggling several monitors or charts simultaneously can overwhelm traders with excessive information, making it difficult to identify the most important insights and act decisively. The moment you load the Multi-Chart widget, you'll notice up to 3 mini charts appear in your window. Each one can show different symbols, timeframes, and chart types. We can have the top mini chart display Bitcoin on a 4-hour timeframe with Bollinger Bands. The middle mini chart might display Tesla on the daily with Heikin Ashi candles, and the bottom mini chart can be set to a Euro USD line chart on a 15-minute time frame with a moving average. You'll also notice that beside each of these charts is a text field providing additional information on the asset. Each chart operates independently, yet remains connected to your primary view, offering a multi-layered perspective. This means you can track current and higher time frames, identify trends early, and find confluence without juggling multiple windows. If we look in the settings of the indicator, you'll find separate sections for each chart, allowing you to customize the ticker, time frame, chart type, chart size, and the indicator used for that chart. The drop-down for the indicator options provides 3 choices: a super trend indicator, ideal for identifying market trends, a Bollinger Band indicator, useful for detecting volatility and potential reversals, and a moving average, great for timing entries based on crossovers. Additionally, if you scroll further, you can effortlessly adjust the settings of these indicators to align with your trading style. This level of customization ensures that setting up your chart for tracking a trade setup is both intuitive and efficient. For example, in this case, we're viewing the Bitcoin chart with 3 mini charts also set to Bitcoin, but 2 of them are on different time frames. Our main chart is on the 30-minute time frame, and we're viewing the weekly chart for overall bias, which is bullish based on the super trend indicator. Next, we look at the daily time frame to determine if we're oversold using the Bollinger Bands and if it's time to seek buys. Finally, our last chart is a line chart on the 30-minute time frame alongside the moving average, used as a trigger for an entry with a stop below that low. And just like that, the price rallies. You can even use this indicator to monitor correlation. For example, many altcoins follow the overall direction of the Bitcoin chart. If you're trading an asset that is usually correlated with the bigger movements of Bitcoin, you could have 3 other Bitcoin timeframes listed in your window and clearly see when the market starts to trend, allowing you to execute trades accordingly. This indicator, named the Multi-Chart Widget, will help you see the markets from multiple perspectives at once without the hassle of multiple windows or monitors. You can find this indicator for free at LuxAlgo.com/library. Go ahead and give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.